𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 is a convenient way to breeze through tolls on highways, but what happens if you don't pay those tolls? Could it affect your credit score? Let's find out. No, 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔 collections typically don't impact your credit score directly. However, there are a few ways that unpaid tolls could still cause some trouble down the road. If you don't pay your tolls, your account may be sent to a collections agency. Now, this collection might not show up on your credit report immediately, but there are some things to watch out for. First, if the debt is sent to collections and the collection agency reports it to the credit bureaus, it could appear on your credit report as a collection account. This can lower your credit score. And that's not all. If the issue isn't resolved, the toll violations could eventually be marked as delinquent. Once that happens, it could stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, potentially hurting your credit score for a long time. In some cases, the state could even take legal action, like placing a line or garnishing wages. This could then be reported to credit agencies, further impacting your credit score. So, what can you do to avoid all of this? The best thing is to pay any outstanding tolls or fines as soon as possible. By staying on top of your tolls, you can avoid the stress of collections and protect your credit score from any unwanted surprises. Keep your tolls paid and keep your credit score in check.